symbol SING. What happened? What happened is going to be the question. What did happen, right? If I can get a better idea, where did we close at? Okay, so we closed on Friday. We closed on Friday at 0593, and then today you opened at 0640. That is your problem. That is exactly what went wrong. You're going to learn much more about this in the video. Penny stock gap ups. Don't do this. I'm telling you, we see this over and over. I can't even express to you guys. I mean, you've seen it over here, the same exact thing, and all this stuff can be avoided. Any loss can be avoided if you guys watch that video. If you watch that video, I'm telling you, you're going to want to get out there and share it with everybody. It's that powerful of a video. Penny stock gap ups, don't do this. Would have definitely saved you, especially today right here. Okay, so this is what happened. You guys closed down here, then you opened up here. What happens? Now you have this gap form. Then it pulls back. No, not just once. Yes, look at over here. It happened there too. It's repetitive. It happened here too. I mean, this, you guys are going to see this all over 9 times out of 10. Very close 10 times out of 10. But as Joe says, things can change that. So I got to leave that gap in there for, you know, the possibility of stuff. And he's right. He's definitely right when it comes down to that with the gaps. So right here, you guys gapped up. What can you say? That's exactly what happened. Now you're pulling back down. What happens with that, when that happens, okay, and it gaps up, people start selling because they're taking profit, throws into panic. And this is what happens with these penny stocks. It throws in that panic. Everybody freaks out, and then it sells, and then you drop down 15% one day. It's basically the reversal of the buying. It's that brain, the way your brain works, that supply and demand part. Okay? It's true, and we see it over and over. So that being said, let's get back into the chart and what we're going to be talking about here. Right now, point pulling four, 5. Simple day moving averages there. All right, so hopefully I break this down pretty. Into you every second. All right, so that's gonna be let me go ahead and add this one. I know it takes me a second to do that, type that in there, but you guys understand why, because we keep notes so we can keep track of what we're doing. On 260502, pulling back from the gap, support at 0455, then simple day moving averages, buying will need to return. Will buying return? Sure, I'm sure it will. Possibly tomorrow. It possibly could come back tomorrow, but right now you're pulling back off of that. People are a little shaky right now because of that pullback, but there's a reason for that pullback. Again, I definitely encourage you guys to check out that video. That will give you better insight of how I see everything as far as the way everything works. So again, that stock ticker symbol SING. I definitely encourage you to subscribe, hit that like button, share this video with all other SING investors that you guys know. If you have any other stocks that you would like us to cover, make sure that you leave a comment below or head over to investorshangout.com/live.